Welcome to ITER Partners, your gateway to hassle-free rides and earning opportunities. Let's take a tour of our app and see how easy it is to get started. You will see the welcome page, which contains the basic information and overview of how you can earn and maximize your earnings through our app. Once you scroll from right to left, you will find a registration and verification page. Here, you need to fill your required details as well as you need to submit your documents for a quick verification. Once a tutorial and basic understanding part is done and you learn how to work on this app, select Get Started. For new user, select Create to create an account. On Create an Account page, you have to enter the required details. Red marked boxes are mandatory to fill. Make sure you fill all the details correctly. Read all terms, conditions and privacy policy in your preferred language and then click on the small box to accept that you have read it properly. And click on the Request OTP button. OTP will be sent to your registered number which you enter during sign-in. Enter the 4-digit OTP received on your mobile number. And here you go. Now you will see a welcome page which will display the type of service you want to choose. Public, which means you can give your services directly to the customers. And corporate, which means you can give your service to the corporate clients. Or you can select both the options. When you're choosing public or corporate, you can choose the required or all the service options. After confirming, you will be directed to the next page, which will ask you to provide required documents for your verification, like driving license number, fitness certificate number, PAN card number, and Aadhaar card number. Moving forward, if you have any vehicle, then click on the Yes button. But if you do not have any vehicle, then select No. Once you select the Yes button, you will be directed to the Vehicle Information page, where you have to upload images of his vehicle. Then you can enter the details of your vehicle. Vehicle name, vehicle number, vehicle color, fuel type, category, and seating capacity will be auto-filled. Then click on the Next button to go to the next page. Here, you need to fill the available things in the vehicle as mentioned in the list. Then, add vehicle documents as mentioned in the list. After uploading all the details, click on the Next button. Now, sit back and relax while our compliance team verifies your documents. If anything needs correction, don't worry. We will guide you through the process. Once our compliance team verifies all your documents, you will be able to see the status of approval or rejection. If any of your documents is rejected, then you have to upload it again under the Documents page. Suppose your Aadhaar card is rejected. Then you have to go to the Documents page. Click on the Aadhaar card button, select Edit, read the comments why it was rejected, and then re-upload the image with correction. Again, you have to wait until it is re-verified. Once all the documents are approved, then you will be directed to our next page, which is the main page. Make sure to enable location services to ensure a seamless experience. We are with you every step of the way. Here, you will be asked to share the live location throughout the time you are working with ITER Partners. So, let's choose the option while using this app. Click on it. It will take you to the settings page. Click on the location services. Choose ITER Partners from recent app. Click on permission. Choose location. Click on allow all the time. Now you are done. After changing your privacy settings, go back to main page of ITER Partners app. Change the status from off duty to on duty. Congratulations! Now you are integrated to our app. Soon you will start receiving rides. So, Be a partner with ITER and start a new journey together.